What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Darkbringer Sword in Crimson Desert. Now, people say this is allegedly one of the strongest weapons in the game. It gives you 3 levels in critical rate, 1 level of attack speed, and the Outer's Orb weapon ability, where if you attack with right click, this sword will summon orbs that track and damage enemies. Now first up, open up your map. I want you to observe how I position these red lines on the map, the one that goes along your cursor. Zoom out and align your map cursor's vertical guideline to the Hernan label's letter N. Now I want you to move straight up while keeping the vertical guide on the same place, until your red horizontal line is just a bit above Peilun's letter E, and it touches just above where the 2 rivers meet next to the label of Peilun. Just take a look at my map for reference. Place your blind marker and begin your journey. It's on the northwest of Peilun. Now it doesn't matter how you get there. You're gonna know you're close once you find the Abyss Nexus. It's gonna come up as a big question mark on the map if you haven't explored it yet. If you find it, then great. It'll be easier to find the sword. Start from the Abyss Nexus and climb the ledge. Keep heading west, and if you see a pile of boulders, climb on top of them, and you'll find some crates and barrels if you face west. Approach it, and when you see the giant skeleton, you'll see the sword lodged into its mouth. Loot the sword, and congratulations! You've got a shiny weapon that spits out gold orbs when you attack. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.